Hello, today is March 12th, 2021, and I just wanted to make a quick video about three stocks that's a good buy this month. That's there's still plenty of room to make money on. They're already up, this month to start out with, and hopefully, with everybody getting ready to have a stimulus check, you might be thinking about investing part of it. Well, these are three stocks that are definitely worth investing in, and then I'll talk about Ethereum here in a minute, which is a good cryptocurrency that I believe has a lot of upside, in the near future. The first stock is ZOM. It's up 6% so far on the day, and it's up 18% for the week. And I'm personally waiting on the stock to come back down to around $2 to $2.05, or just have a red day in general and get it for the best price I can. I believe that it's gonna, it can make you a good 5 or 10% pretty quick. It has it's a popular stock and a lot of potential. The next stock is CCIV. It's up 173% over the past 3 months, and it's up 12% in the last week alone. And personally, I'm gonna try my best to buy in around $25. It's tough to say if it's going to come back down. I think today's low was somewhere around $25. So if you're looking for a good an energy stock to buy, that would be a great stock to get. And then a stock that I personally already own shares of is AMC. It's my third stock, on the list, and I bought in at $10.52. I probably should have bought them in for, bought around $10. Would probably been better. I bought the dip, but anyways, I'm up on the day already. I think over 5%, and it's still, I've made my money back plus some, so I'm more than happy. And then personally, as popular as AMC is right now, it's a stock that you can day trade or swing trade very easily and make 5% every day. And it's definitely, anytime it falls below $10, that's a buy. I'd buy that all day long, and then always, then just know where you're going to sell it at when you get it. I try to make 5% or more. Maybe put a trailing stop loss, in behind it, just to make sure you get that make sure you get your get the amount of profit you're looking for. And then another stock it's a dividend stock, which that I've already bought. I bought last week. It's up 7%. I'm just looking right here at my notes. I wasn't even really planning on adding this in this video, but it's up. It's MO, ticker symbol MO. It's Altria. It's up. I think it's up over 10% for the month. It's getting ready to pay out a dividend. Its dividend is, they pay out 7%, I think it's 7.8% currently, and it's been paying that dividend out forever. It's something that you don't have to worry about getting cut, and if you want to go for a safer route, that's the route I would pick. You know what you're going to get, and every year, Altria continues to raise its dividend. But, always on these other stock, on any stocks really, always have a stop loss. Whether, no matter if it's Apple or Altria, no matter what you own, always have a stop loss, or, know when you're willing to get out, because you can always buy back in. but you know, you don't want to lose a bunch of money on a, you know, if a stock having some very bad news that comes out about it or something, like, you know, or if a stock decides to split. You know, if one of these little penny stocks, if you buy in on ZOM or something else, and they decide to, you know, put more shares out there on the market, it's gonna make your company, you know, it's gonna make the stock price fall. And you don't want to have a stock that's, you know, that's $1 turn into 50 cents, you know, and it can happen. So the best thing to do is always make sure you have a stop loss in place just to protect your principal. And then last, I was going to talk to you about Ethereum. Ethereum is, you know, it's a cryptocurrency. You know, I'm sure everybody knows it's the second biggest cryptocurrency out there behind Bitcoin. And you know, I bought in at 1580, and you know, I made a nice profit on it because it's up to over 1800 at the moment, and I'm waiting for it to fall back below 1600. You know, hopefully that's where I can get it at. If not, I may buy it around you know, a little bit higher. I may pay 1625 or 1650 if I don't feel it. If it doesn't fall there, come back down to below, you know, 1600 in the next couple of weeks. But in general, I feel that around $1,600 is a very good place to buy. Plus, Ethereum announced earlier this week it's planning on decreasing the total number of coins it has on the market. I believe every time somebody buys in, that they're actually going to, you know, buy a certain amount of coins, it's actually going to destroy, you know, part of theirs. So, in theory, that should make the price go up. And personally, I think it's got a lot more room to grow because it's, you know, only at 1800, while Bitcoin's, you know, over 50,000. So to double your money, it's going to be a lot easier for Ethereum to double than it is for Bitcoin. And I personally think, you know, all of these cryptos, you know, all the main ones anyway, like Ethereum and Bitcoin, for sure, are going to be, you know, a very good investment for the long term. But me personally, I like Ethereum the best, and there's definitely I'm definitely trying to buy in if it ever falls and comes back down to around 1600 or so. You know, first of all, I want to thank everybody for supporting these videos, and please hit the like button if this has helped you, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you all have. You know, that's what we're all here to do, is try to make money, help each other out. Also, if you need, I'm gonna put in the bio, you know, in the comments below, anything, you know, a couple real referrals where you can get a couple free stocks from Webull. You know, normally they're around $20, and that's a free $20 if you want to open a brokerage account with them. And then they give you another 2 free stocks after you put your first $100 in there. So that's you know, that's 4 free stocks for just investing your first $100 in the brokerage, and you get 2 for free just starting out. It really helped me too. I'd get 2 for free for you using my referral link. And you know, like I said, I really appreciate it if y'all would if you'd use my link, and then we can all make some money together. Also, there's I'm also going to put Coinbase in the link below. They gave me, you know, that you can get. That's where I got my free Ethereum from, and basically, you know, just starting out, you can get $25 or $30 free just by using the link below. And they give it to you. You don't have to deposit any money. You just get it just for answering 3 or 4 questions, you know, and watching a 1-minute video, you get $4 or $5 for each question. You can't go wrong. It's free money. Thank you all so much. I hope you all have a very profitable week in this next coming week. Like I said, thanks again. And feel free to leave comments below. I'll be making another video next week at this time. Thanks.